Vocabulary shows up on the SAT in two different ways. It shows up in sentence completion questions, and it shows up in reading comprehension passages and reading comprehension questions. We'll talk about that in another clip. So here's an example of a sentence completion question. The strategy on these, the way to really get into it and get more points out of it, the best way to go about it is when you read the sentence, you're going to read it by saying blank. And then, before you look at the choices, you're going to come up with a word that you'd like to see for the blank, before you even look at the possibilities. And that's going to actually help you avoid getting tricked by some of the possibilities, which might relate to the sentence, but not to what we need for the blank. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Jessica is very blank. She talks nonstop. So what word do we want to fill the blank? Basically, we want a word which means she talks a lot. She talks nonstop. She's talkative. And then you go to the choices looking for that. Now notice that the sentence, and this is almost always true, 99% of the time, the sentences are redundant. They tell you in the sentence what you need for the blank. They have to do that. If they didn't, how would you know what word that we needed for the blank? You might not do that when you write. You might just write Jessica is very talkative, and that'd be it. You'd be done. But in the SAT, on a sentence completion question, they have to tell you more about it so that you know what word to look for the blank. So we want a word for talkative. You go to the choices, use the process of elimination. Cross out ones that don't mean that, leave words that you're not sure of, or leave words that could be it, and then choose the best one.